Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reach the top of the screen with one hand on the iPhone 14 series. So first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, we go down and tap on Touch. Then tap on Reachability. Tap on the toggle button to make sure it is turned on. Once it is turned on, you can swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen to bring up the top into reach. So here you can see at the bottom, if you swipe down just around here and swipe down like that, and that will allow you to bring the top down, and at the top of your screen will be within your reach. And here I can tap on the back key, and I can swipe up or down, and I can perform an action in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.